Escalon, Mela Tunay. Set number 3, tied at 1 set apiece. And a service ace right away. Medyo may kumpiyansa na rin tong UP. Bicar. Axel DeFeo, I was about to say, a little quiet in that last set.
He was going up against 3 blockers.
Ginaganon lang yung triple block. Eh, no? Oh! Kamaymayan! Putting it down for a 3-point lead. Another misreceive for UP. And that will be a service ace for Pozas.
Great. Puro atake, and then nagkaroon na ng blocking party from both squads. Nagkaroon na ng mga service aces. And this time, the rookie, Castrodes, breaking through the UE block. Mas malalaki yun sa kanya.
To the back row for Pio, was blocked.
Back-to-back points from the rookie.
Well, sa ibang highlights, mukha talaga siyang Terminator. Parang what?
A very talented athlete for sure. And
Speaking
this
of talent,
time, Nicolas also win for UP.
Castrodes straight to Villanueva with the receive from the open. That's Piojo.
Single block on Piojo. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm very curious to find out how many sets he's had so far in this match, or excellent sets rather.
Clemente, triple block on cue for UE. But good time to make a run with Santiago having a full front line right now. Down by 4, Bicar to the middle, blocked. To the opposite side for Pozas. That one straight down.
Work their magic. Kanina nangyari yan nung nagkaroon din ng mga konting rotation eh. So, we still don't see Lagando on the court. Castrodes.
Rahim. Parang yun na lang sinasabi ko, no? Rahim.
But for Rahim, parang walang smaller blocker. Lahat naging small. This UAAP opening weekend. We also have FEU and UST playing right after this.
What a set so far for Sean Kamaymayan.
Ahead of UP.
Sharp serve to Villanueva. Kamaymayan from the right. Castrodes, improv, off speed. Bicar, the set, back to Kamaymayan. The double block was there for UP. Needed point for UE. Santiago, Dan Nicolas.
Ganda ng pihit sa ere. Under fundamentals, these kinds of magic happens.
What a serve.
Ooh,
and
still a
it's
good
still
ball.
alive.
Great ball control by Bicar.
Nicolas makes them pay.
But quickly, they get it back. They want that to happen faster.
They will go back row to Rahim. Villanueva popping it up. Piojo has been hot this past couple of sequences. Good receive. De Guzman. Oh, that's in. That goes for De Guzman.
We are tied at 21.
But magandang character building experience ito for the very young squad of UP.
It's a race to 4. Andre Bicar, pinabawi si Piojo, naiangat ni Castrodes. Rahim for the lead!
Coach Carlo! 13 points already for Nicolas.
Bicar, they need one. Block!
Whoa!
A wall was formed.
The more experienced squad compared to the younger UP team.
Sharp serve. Rahim from the right back. And that one's outside.
UE clearly looking stunned right now.
Aligayon will receive. Bicar will set. Tebs Aligayon. Is that his first point?
That is his first point.
Santiago will set up Rahim. Popped up that time by Bicar. Aligayon looking to find an angle. Rahim, one more try.
Oh!
By Debs Aligayon.
Look at the body language of Aligayon. Pagpag jersey.
Crucial service.
Oh!
And a service ace for the UE Red Warriors.
The substitution for Coach Jerome Guhit. Face off. Ganda ng target na yon.